Hi guys, it's Miss Maynard from Willie Brown. Today I'm going to show you how to complete this assignment. So you can see on the first slide, here's our slides over here. The first one says name and it says theirs. Don't write your name here. We want to know who you're talking about, who has the dream job that you're talking about, and then what their job is. So you can see here I'm going to go over to this article. This guy's name is Mac Bernard. So I'm going to copy that right here. I'm just going to highlight it by holding the bottom. Then I'm going to type capital M, capital B. And again, I'm using this as an example because it's not a STEM job. He is a mayor. Oops, looks kind of like my name. So now I'm typing my name, mayor. There we go. And then you can see right here, I'm just going to click on this. And this is a picture. I'm going to click backspace and delete it because I'm going to add my picture here. So I'm going to go back to the article. I'm going to click on it using my thumb. And you can see I've dragged it. And now I'm going to go up to the top. And I'm going to drag it right into my slide deck. We're going to talk more about how to give credit later, and you can see it got really big. So I'm going to go ahead and move it over. When these blue boxes are there, I can drag the corner. One thing that's really important, don't just drag the middle one because he'll get squished. If I mess up, I'm just going to click Control Z, and then I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit smaller so that it fits nicely. It's still a little big and maybe I don't actually want all those people in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click outside. You're going to see here, I'm going to double click. And when I double click, then I get the black lines. And by using these black lines, I can actually drag in. And this one you can do in the middle because what you're going to do is crop the picture. So I don't need all those other people. I just want the mayor. So I'm going to go ahead and select. And now you can see I have a much smaller one. Maybe I want to make it a little bigger. So I'm going to make the bottom. I'm just going to cut a little bit off the bottom as well. This is called cropping. And now again, I always make things bigger or smaller using the corner. And maybe I want to go off the deck. That's fine too. Now I'm going to move it. And you can see here, when I get that red line right there, that means it's in the middle. Okay. So looking down here at the bottom, you can see I typed their name. That was the first direction using capital letters. I typed their job. So I'm done with that. He's the mayor. And I went ahead and inserted a picture from the article. If you want to crop it, you can. Another pro tip is actually if you select the picture and then you go right here next to this is the cropping image. If you click this, you can actually change the shape. And so by doing that, it actually kind of gives it sort of a more presidential look, which I like with the flag there. So that's an option. You don't have to do that. You can use lots of different things. You can change fonts, but really focus on the three things to get done are the name, his job, the job, and the picture. All right, and that's it for this slide. You're all done.